Have you noticed how frogs suddenly turn into a rock band right after it rains? Well, it's not just random noise, it's actually frog communication at its finest. Male frogs call out to attract females, and each species has its own unique song. Think of it as hundreds of different love songs playing at the same time. But why after rain? Simple. Rain fills up ponds, ditches and puddles. Perfect breeding grounds. Frogs need water to lay their eggs, so when it rains, it's basically party time. More water means safer places for tadpoles to grow. The moisture also makes the air damp and cool, which helps frogs keep their skin from drying out while they sing their hearts out. So the next time you hear that chorus of croaks after a storm, just remember, you're listening to nature's love concert, where every ribbit is a swipe right.